Hey everyone, my name is Mimi. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you guys stick around and subscribe. If you guys are not new, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and tuning in again. So today's video is going to be a requested video. A lot of you wanted to see a what's in my bag, and it's from the last unboxing that I did do. So if you guys want to see the unboxing, I'll link it down below. But if you guys already can tell by the title, it's the boy bag. I'm super excited to do this video. I purposely didn't upload my unboxing because I kind of like wanted to enjoy the purse a little bit and get to know it, understand like how I like using it, how I like wearing it, what do I like putting in it, things like that, you know, just kind of get some opinions and thoughts and pros and cons, so that way when I do this what's in my bag, I was going to have like a really thorough review for you, so that way if you guys are thinking about getting this bag, you're not only like seeing how much it holds, but you're hearing pros and cons as well. Alright, let's get on with the video. So this purse can be worn over the shoulder with 2 straps, 1 strap, or crossbody. I've showed you the many ways you can wear this purse in the unboxing as well, so make sure you guys check the link down below when you're done with this video. And this one doesn't have a back pocket, it's just like quilted all around with the lines detailing the border here. And here's the bag up close. It's very shiny. I do show the difference between Made in Italy, which is the one I have. The Made in France one is a lot more matte, but over time with use, if you are wearing lotions and you're just like the oils in your fingers from just touching the bag, will over time make your bag shinier from what my FA has told me. So it doesn't, I guess, really matter if you want the shiny or the matte, because the matte will turn shiny eventually from just touching and using the purse. I know a lot of people want their purses made in France because it's, you know, the history and the heritage of the company and the brand itself, you know, is, you know, from France. So I get it, but I felt like it's okay to get Made in Italy because it's still in Europe, and I just want the bag to be what I like. And I like the shininess, I like that it's sturdier, so I'm okay with that. But that's something that to take in consideration if you are particular with where your purses are made. So let me get close here. So the purse opens up by pressing these 2 little clips here. It's kind of hard to do it there you go. And it just lifts up, and it's a flap like this. And above the flap here, as you can see, there's a hole, so things can slip through if it's thin enough. So I would be careful with what you put in here in terms of like lipsticks and lip liners, anything that can slide right out, because you could lose whatever it is in there, you know, if you guys are like throwing your bag around. This is what everything looks like in my purse. I have a few SLGs in there to kind of organize everything. Also, a tip when you're opening the bag, I highly recommend when you open it, you hold it from here up. If you keep tugging on one end here, it's going to make the flaps, you know, wave upwards like this. Like, it's gonna make them like bend. So over time, if you are, you know, not careful with how you open it and you're really aggressive and you're grabbing onto like one side of the flap, it is going to create like a little like lopsided like dent into the flap. That's why whenever I'm wearing this bag, I try to make it a point to pull the metal part up with it, so that way I don't pull on one side more than the other, because that will create the leather to bend and fold. And this is the Louis Vuitton Toiletry 15. I have it in there because I have hand sanitizer and I'm fearful that it's going to open up and leak out, so I have it in a toiletry pouch where the lining can be wiped. And this one was actually a gift from my mother. She went to Europe, I think it was last year. Yeah, she went to Europe last year, and she found this at the boutique for super cheap. Like, she saved, I think it was like 30 or 40% off, I believe, like with, you know, the little taxes and stuff that they do over there. So she picked this up for me, and I'm really grateful that she did, because it's so cute and tiny. How adorable. And it fits in every single bag. Like, how adorable is this little thing? And it also helps keep the shape of this purse, which I will talk about more later. And in here, I have on top a perfume. I always like to carry one on me because you never know if you need it. And this one is the Hermes Iris. I don't know how to say that, but this is what it looks like if you guys can read it. This came in a cute little travel set that I got from Hermes. You can pick out your sets yourself, and it comes with a little dust bag, which I like because then it also helps with any like leaking, or if like, you know, it broke or something, it will protect your purse and not get it everywhere. And then in here I have my AirPods. These are just the regular AirPods. I'm going to see if they come out with new ones because these are not connecting as great. I feel like they don't work as well as they used to. So I've been like wanting to buy the Pros because my friend Mina said the Pros are really, really good and they're noise canceling and all that stuff. But I feel like something is gonna happen in the future because something new always comes around, and I don't want to be that person that buy something new and then something else newer comes out later. Don't you hate that? Like, especially with Apple products, like as much as I love Apple products, I hate that when you buy something, literally a year later they like release something newer and crazier or better, and you're just sitting here like feeling outdated. So I'll just stick to my outdated AirPods for now until the next one comes out. Okay, just a couple more things in here. I have my external charger. I never really use this, but in case that I do need it, I have it. I know it just sucks like when you don't need it and then you like take it out of your bag, and then on the day that you do that, you actually need the item and you're just like, really? Really? Okay, so I always carry that with me. And then here's my hand sanitizer. This one I actually got from Whole Foods, and it smells really, really good. It's like a lavender scent, and it's a twist pump one. I really like the packaging though. That's what kind of sold me. I saw it at the checkout, and it's lavender lime. So this one smells really good. It's kind of liquidy though. Like, I'll show you. See, super liquidy. I wish it was a little bit more thicker, but if it works, it works. Also, a little tip with the canvas pieces, if you guys are using hand sanitizer or wipes or anything like that, depending on the level of concentration of the alcohol, it actually can ruin your canvas pieces and dehydrate the canvas. So please be careful and be aware when you're putting on hand sanitizer, okay? And the last thing I have in here is the Patrick Ta's lip liner in the shade She's Proud. It's a really pretty nude color. I carry a lip product with me just in case I need it, but I found myself not needing it very much these days because you're wearing a mask covering over your face all the time, and you know, it sucks, but that's our new normal. And you know, carrying sanitizer with you all the times is a new normal. Okay, I only have two other things in here, which is just my card case. I just carry a couple cards with me, a little bit of cash in the zipper compartment, and there's a front pocket for more like cards, like stamp cards and things like that. So that's what I have here. And then I also have my keys with me. I have lots of keys, so that's what I have in here, and the card key. And then the last thing I have in here is, like I said, a mask. You have to wear one these days, so I kind of put one in every bag because it's just easier to make sure you always have one on you. Have a ton in your car. Make sure you always have them. It's like at this point you might as well just put one in every pocket and every item of clothing that you have and own, because you're gonna need them for a very long time now, you know? Okay. And then also in here is just like the authenticity card, or like the serial card, and I have a receipt in there. And the holographic, okay. And the holographic sticker is going to be in the corner right there, if you guys can see. Something I also want to note is that this bottom is kind of squishy. As you can see, there's nothing really holding its shape. So I definitely do plan on getting a base shaper, but I think so far using this pouch, it kind of helps hold the base up, and it's not making everything sink in and squished in. So I think that works out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything back in here. And this is a bag repacked. So far in here, my phone will not fit. It is quite of a tight squeeze, but it's fine because I usually have my phone in my pocket or in my hand, so that doesn't bother me too much. But this is how everything fits inside. My camera also fits inside as well, but I can't carry the Toiletry 15 if I do take my camera with me. I might have to take some other things out and make it work. This definitely does carry way more than my mini bag, which is a lot smaller because it's a mini bag. But I do like that this carries my everyday essentials and a little bit more. And if I do vlog a certain day, I do carry the camera in here. I just take out the Toiletry 15 and just take out maybe the hand sanitizer, or I would take one of the pocket ones like this one and just put it in my pockets of my jacket or whatever, because usually I'm wearing like a jacket like this or like a windbreaker, and I'll just put it in the pocket and I'm good to go. I can take the keys and put in my pocket. That's what I did yesterday. So I do find ways so that way I can carry a little bit more in this purse. So all in all, I do really enjoy this bag. It's just, you know, opening the flap is just something that you have to be careful about, but in terms of the leather, the material, the hardware, everything like that, it's just, I think it's perfect. I still even have like the little stickers on here. I should take that off. The protective stickers. I feel like with this hardware, you don't have to worry too much about like the scratches and stuff, because this hardware is already aged, so you won't really like notice if there is any scratches and anything like that, because it looks like it's just meant to be on the purse. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope anything that I had shared in this video was helpful to you. If you have any other questions or anything you'd like to add on, please let me know down below. Let me know what's your favorite thing to have in your bag at all times, aside from hand sanitizer, because that's what we have to have right now. But anything else that you guys like to carry, I would love to hear from you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.